then the goal that we got was a lucky one. But then we worked hard for that.
নমস্কার দর্শক বন্ধুরা, এক্সট্রা টাইম বাংলায় আপনাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। রয়েছি আমরা কলিঙ্গ স্টেডিয়ামে, কিন্তু যে ম্যাচটার কথা আমরা বলবো সেটা হয়েছে ঠিক তার পাশের পিচ ওয়ানে, এবং মোহনবাগান সুপার জায়ান্ট কিন্তু একটা দুর্দান্ত জয় পেল হায়দ্রাবাদ এফসির বিরুদ্ধে। একেবারে লড়াই করে কিন্তু এই 3 পয়েন্ট তুলল সবুজ বেরন ব্রিগেড। শেষ দিকে কিন্তু দিমিত্রি পেত্রাতসের পেনাল্টি, আর তার আগে হায়দ্রাবাদের একটি আত্মঘাতী গোলে কিন্তু জয় পেল মোহনবাগান। এবং এই জয়ে স্বাভাবিকভাবেই কিন্তু খুশি হেড কোচ ক্লিফোর্ড মিরান্ডা। তবে যেভাবে হায়দ্রাবাদ, এই অনভিজ্ঞ হায়দ্রাবাদ দল চাপ দিয়ে বসেছিল, সেইটা কিন্তু ভাবাচ্ছে মিরান্ডাকে, কারণ সামনেই ডার্বি এবং সেখানে কিন্তু প্রতিপক্ষ কঠিন ইস্টবেঙ্গল। আর এই জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে ক্লিফোর্ড মিরান্ডা কিন্তু সতর্ক থাকবেন, তাকে কিন্তু সতর্ক থাকতেই হবে। তো কী বলছেন সবুজ বেরনের অন্তর্বর্তীকালীন কোচ, চলুন শুনে নিই।
It was a good game, overall a good game of football, wasn't it? I mean, both the teams played very well. I don't take nothing away from Hyderabad. They worked extremely well. They had a plan. To suck the pressure and then to soak the pressure, and then to play on the counter attack, for which I believe they were quite successful, I would say, and congratulations to them, to each one of their players, because played with all 11, 12, 13, 14 Indian players, including substitutes. As far as we are concerned, for us, from the onset we knew it would be a very, very difficult game under these conditions, but then we, in the first half, we were not so bad, but we had moments of good moments with the ball, not overall, both offensively as well as in defense. The first goal that we considered was like through a miscommunication, and it can happen, but then we regrouped well. In the second half, we were dominant. We wanted to have possession. We wanted to hurt them, especially on the wings, which we did very well. The only thing was we could not get the final goal. We missed a couple of chances. The goalkeeper came up with good saves, and in the end, the goal that we got was a lucky one. But then we tried. We worked hard for that, and yeah, we won eventually. A few things, especially on our defensive side. When the opponent has the ball, especially on the wings, or especially when their fullbacks have the ball, we need to be more compact, I would say. So overall, what I want to say is we need to work a bit on our compactness. But then the players know, they already know this. It's just that sometimes in some games, with sometimes a lack of motivation in here and there and defending is an art, is not easy. It is the most difficult part, is defending, because attacking is very easy. You can just take the ball and do what you want, but defending is structured in stone. You need to do certain things. You need to observe and maintain defensive principles. So it's just a matter of concentration. That's it. He fell sick on the just when we were about to leave the hotel. In fact, he was supposed to start, and we were having, and just after the meeting, he informed the medical staff that he had food poisoning, I believe. He was vomiting, and so we thought it is best to keep him in the hotel rather than make him travel or even to luck. If you talk about luck, then what about the number of chances that we have missed? And we have earned that penalty. We have earned the self-goal. Luck can be the side, but I believe we have earned it. Yeah, we do suffer a bit, especially because we have more offensive players, and the traits of Dimitris is more. But then he did work well. He did work extremely well in defense as well. But when you have a eight playing more as a more as a 8 than as a 6. It is normal to for the player to be more involved in the offensive aspects of the game.
Extra time.
লেটেস্ট নিউজ আর এক্সক্লুসিভ ভিডিওর সঙ্গে আপডেট থাকতে এখনই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না যেন।